Hey guys, my name is Kara. Thank you for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Maine. So click the link in the description below. I'm basically going to do like a walkthrough tutorial on my computer, and you can follow along at the same time. That way, by the end of this video, all within about 5 minutes, you will have your LLC filed. So again, click the link in the description or the pinned comment below, and let's just get right into it. All right, so it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website. And let's start out by clicking Maine. And then you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available. So I do eyelash extensions, so I'm going to type that in. All right. And then you can select what stage that you're currently in. For me, I'm already in business, so I'm just going to click this. And what industry do you fall into? So you may fall into a couple different categories, or maybe you're not sure, which one specifically, but as you type in a letter, you can see thousands of options come up and they get really specific. So I'm going to start to type in eyelashes, and you can see for me, there it is. And you're either selling a physical good or a professional service, or maybe both. So like I mentioned, I'm providing a service, but if I was selling some sort of product as well, I can also select this option. So whatever you're currently selling at the moment, you're just going to click one or both options here. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's say, maybe you don't have employees, and then you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. That's totally fine, and it won't affect your LLC filing now or later. So just, again, select where you're at the current moment. So now you're going to type in your zip code, and then where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling online at a shopper's store or on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, so I'm going to click on the go. But let's say I had a website too, and I'm selling products online, I can select this option as well. And if you happen to have all three, that's awesome. Feel free to click all of them here. Now this is just asking what we've done already. We can skip this part. And how did you discover Taylor Brands? You're going to click through YouTube, through this video. Okay, and now Taylor Brands offers a free 12-week coaching program. I love this. I just feel like it's cool. Get a free program to learn something. Maybe I can make more money learning something. So I'm like, why not? Might as well take it. But if you don't want to take that option, you can always hit no thanks. Now you're just going to enter your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, now this is asking if you'd like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or if you want to do it yourself. So, okay, so an EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, or if you open a business credit card or business bank account. So if you want to file it on your own, you can do it through the IRS website, but they only work during the weekdays. They won't allow you to file it on the weekends, and it just leaves room for error if you've never done it. Like, the IRS website is not the easiest to navigate, and I don't know, I feel like it's only $99 to have Taylor Brands do it for me. I feel like it's totally worth it. It's one less thing I have to worry about, and one less thing I have to add to my to-do list today, so I like to always select this option here. And as far as being a registered agent, now if you live in Maine or you're just starting your business, you are more than likely your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in Maine and you're opening an LLC in Maine, or your accountant has told you otherwise, then you may need to, appoint a registered agent that lives in the state. And if you're just confused and you want to really make sure, Taylor Brands can help you figure it out for $199. But like I said, there's no more than likely, if you're opening your LLC and you live in Maine, you are your own registered agent. So you can just select this option here. And are you sure? Yes. And again, every single year, no matter what state you're in, you have to renew your LLC every year. So if you forget to do it, you'll have like a few months notice, but if you forget altogether, you have to refile it, pay more money, and it's just a whole mess and a headache that you don't have to worry about. So make sure you renew it every single year. If you think you might forget, or you're busy and there's a lot of things going on, Tailor Brands can automatically renew it for you every single year for $199, which is a really cool option to have, especially if your business is growing and you're, always on the move. For me, I'm going to try to save some money, so I'm going to select this option here. I'll handle the compliance. And would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and would you like your LLC expedited to you in 2 days? It's $49. I feel like it's so worth it to get it as soon as possible. And within 2 days from now, I have the LLC. I can do kind of whatever I want with my business. If you're not in a rush, you can select this option here. They'll get it to you in 2 weeks, and you don't have to pay that extra fee. So it's totally whatever you prefer, but I'm selecting this one here. And as far as an operating agreement, you don't need to worry about that. So click no. I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And this is something great that Tailor Brands offers. So let's say you've just started your business and you don't really have a system set up yet for organizing your finances and your bookkeeping, or maybe you do have a system set up and your business has blown up, it's grown super fast, and now it's just not as organized as it used to be. They can get you on track, get everything organized for you so you know exactly where your finances are going. All of your bookkeeping and invoices will be so organized so you know where every single cent is going in your business. So if you want to give it a try, they do give you a free trial. I don't know the total cost at the end, but it's worth trying if you're planning to scale your business. For me, I have a really small business, so I'm just going to manage my own books and invoices. And yes, we would like to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, today we're only getting the LLC and EIN, so you don't need to pay for anything extra. So just select this light option here. Okay, so now it's going to tell you what you're paying for today. So in Maine, the state filing fee for an LLC is $260, and that's just the mandated state fee. The business coaching program, it's free and included, and we're paying that $49 for the 2-day expedited filing. This part's not highlighted, so we don't have to pay for that. And then after your LLC goes through, then you will be charged for your EIN number. So today you'll only need to pay for this top part here. Okay, so now you're going to enter your credit card information. Afterwards, it's going to ask you some basic info like your name and address and things like that. But that's it. You've literally just filed your LLC. You can see how fast and easy that was. But if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions or explain something a little bit better that maybe I didn't already do. But that's it, you guys. I hope you were able to follow along. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you guys in the next one.